Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. This week, we got a big box that says Marty Ford on it, and it looks like it's from the UK. So guys, I got home today, and on the front porch was a box. And this box looks like it's from Magnetic Racing. So Ian and Doug, you guys are awesome. They sent me a message and said, hey, we dropped something in the post for you. They didn't tell me what it was. But the one thing they did tell me was we made a few extra that you can give away on your channel. Let's dig in and see what the guys sent me. Now, a few weeks ago, I had them on my live stream. And we did it on a Saturday morning because they were at Electric Dreams. Marco was kind enough to let them jump off of his stream for a little bit to join my stream, and I really appreciated it. It was a great conversation. We didn't have enough time, so I will have those guys on again. They said, hey, thanks for letting us be on your live stream. We had a great time, and so they sent me a package, so let's get into it. Oh, there's a couple boxes in here. Of course, we have Chewits. It wouldn't be, now, is this on my diet? I haven't had sugar in months in this type of form, but I think I will break my diet for strawberry Chewits. I'll share them with my wife. She will enjoy these. We have Magnetic Racing stickers. I'm guessing that maybe that's for one of the projects, because it looks like we've got quite a few things in here. The first thing is a paintbrush holder. Man, that could be a paintbrush holder. It could be, I'm going to have to make this because this could be really handy, because I think that I could use it as like a screwdriver organizer, because my tools are everywhere on my desk. I need to really clean this up. I mean, I've got projects laying around. I've got bodies from Three Amigos 3D printing that I need to finish up. This awesome bug from Dave Gorley that he sent me that I really need to paint, but I've been too busy running laps with it. So very cool. Thanks, guys. That's awesome. Nice. Okay. This is the Sticker Bomb billboard, and that's what those Magnetic Racing stickers are for. And guys, I am out of stickers. I need to send Ian and Doug some stickers. So I've got to place an order. The print shop that does mine is about a block and a half from my house. So maybe I can have them by the end of next week, and I'll send some out, because if you order a Sticker Bomb billboard, I want Two Lines to be an option for you. So maybe I'll just have them printed out just like theirs, so that it actually works more like that. But awesome. I may have to build this tonight. We have something. There's 3 of these, and it's called the Two Lines Special. And it looks like it is a Two Lines slot car lighted billboard. Oh, yes. Check it out. How stinking cool is that? I'm going to have to build one of these. And then it looks like I've got a couple extra to give away on the channel. But I don't even know really what this looks like yet. But here we go. I've got 1, 2. I'll have to think about this. I'll have to ask Doug and Ian what their plan was. But maybe I will build this and give it away on my channel. This is really, really cool. Yeah. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this video, and you will be entered to win one of these Two Line billboards. I'll have to build one so you can see what it looks like. So we've got a couple of those. Man, guys, this is an embarrassment of riches here. And then there's another box that says on the box, Fragile. Thanks for having us on your live and for all you do for the community. Guys, you do way more for the slot car community than I do. Hope you like this, Ian and Doug. Put that on the ground, and let's open this up. No way. God. Oh my gosh. This is fantastic. So this is what these kits are. This is a LED lit 2 lines billboard. And this is a finished version of it. That is awesome. That is the coolest thing. Ian, Doug, you guys are incredible. This is awesome. So, yes, like, subscribe, and comment that you would want one of these for your track. And we're going to give one of these away. And what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and paint it up and put it together. And I'll ship it to you already done. Maybe, if I think I can do this. Yeah, we could try to do this. This is awesome. Now I got to figure out where this is going to go on my track. It will complement my magnetic racing, as you can see, the lights, the light towers. The thing is, I was so excited about getting those up there. I've never painted them. I just put them together because I wanted them on my track. But this proves that I should have taken a little extra effort and painted those. So maybe I will go ahead and paint them. You guys have outdone yourself. This is incredible. Guys, thanks. I can't tell you how much I appreciate this. It will be a prized possession on my track for sure. 2-line slot cars. How cool. Look at that. The detail. It's beautiful. Magneticracing.com. Guys, if you like scenery for your slot car track, we have some great options out there, but our buddies Ian and Doug at Magnetic Racing, and they just do awesome work. So if you're interested in getting one of these billboards and you don't want to wait, maybe they'll make up a slot car, 2-line slot car one for you. I know that they have some other options out there. Go to magneticracing.com and check out all of the great scenery they have. Amazing stuff. We need to light this thing up, don't we? All right. There you go. Check that out. That's going to look stinking cool. Yeah, we need to go find a place for this on my track. Guys, this is amazing. Thanks. Shout out to Magnetic Racing. Go check them out. I'll put a link to their website in the description of this video. Again, if you'd like to win one of these, like and subscribe to the channel. Most of you who are watching this are already subscribed. So make sure you hit the thumbs up, give me a like, and then put it in the comments what you would do if you won one of these. Where would you put it? On your track, in your office, in your bathroom? Who knows? Like, where do you, maybe you are scared of the dark and you could put this in your bedroom, right? So when you wake up in the middle of the night, you can look over and see 2 lines, slot cars. How cool is that? Guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you like this. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. Guys, like always, go out and have some fun racing with cool scenery on your slot car track from magneticracing.com. Go check them out.